Hello, my name is Muhammad Iddin bin Maktahi. I am 22 years old and I'm from Selangor. I'm a Bachelor Honours Management of Culinary Arts student at UiTM Permatang Pau. Skill in cooking, passion and a strong team player, possessing these valuable qualities for optimal performance. Passionate about cooking, I found joy in preparing delicious meals and exploring the endless possibilities within the culinary realm, and also can explore my creativity and experiment with flavors and bring people together around the shared experience of good food. I love cooking. My cooking skill can benefiting culinary work through creativity, technique, time management, adaptability, food safety, teamwork, and the ability to produce high-quality innovative dishes. My passion and hardworking abilities bring resilience and dedication to the culinary industry. My traits ensure consistent quality attention to detail and ability to handle challenging situations effectively. I achieved to create food new recipe during my degree, a significant accomplishment in my life. To accolade demonstrate my commitment to excellence and brings valuable expertise and dedication to benefit the company. Last but not least, please feel free to call or email me to schedule an interview. Thank you for taking the time to view my video and encourage you to share it with others who may be interested. Thank you.